Florida's crackdown on illegal immigration is turning many construction sites into ghost towns as undocumented workers have fled, fearing they will be deported. Local 10's Cody Weddle is live to show us.
And so, Janice, we've been seeing those videos mostly online showing these construction sites almost totally abandoned. Well, the situation we've been seeing around sites in South Florida today hasn't been quite as dramatic, but we did speak to some workers off camera and they say they are starting to see the impacts of this new law.
In construction, we have a very acute workforce issue.
At construction sites around South Florida, the work continues.
There's like less than 20 people working today. Usually there's about 100.
Not quite the abandoned scenes that have been circulating in online videos. But on the ground, workers say they have felt the impacts of SB 1718, the new Florida law that implements strict new rules to prevent the hiring of undocumented workers.
People are getting scared to work for fear that they will be breaking the laws of July 1st, and therefore they can be charged.
Critics have argued the new law will force undocumented immigrants heavily employed in construction and agriculture to leave the state. And with no legal workers to fill those spots, understaffed farms and sites like these will lead to higher prices, economists say.
Probably within the next 6 months, you will see some adjustment in food costs if we don't resolve the issue of getting farm help as well as construction help.
And while they disagree on Florida's new laws, immigrant advocates and those supporting the governor do agree it's the federal government that should do more to fix the immigration system.
We're letting in millions of people and we're giving them a court date, a year or 2 or 3 out, but we're not giving them authorization to work. And that just quite doesn't make sense to me.
Now, the Florida Policy Institute is another group that has sort of been monitoring this new law. According to their reports, Florida currently has around 400,000 undocumented workers participating in the economy. In the year 2019, those workers made over $12 billion in wages. So these people are currently participating here in the economy. The question, of course, now is to what extent will they abandon the state? We're live in Miami. I'm Cody Weddle, Local 10 News.